All right, right here. So starting with the minimum bid here of 138,000. Let's
Yeah,
see,
in
it's
fact,
R3 multifamily.
yeah, I almost didn't, I almost just automatically didn't look at it. It has a high opening bid amount, 138,000. And then when I was looking over here at the overhead, I thought, well, those are some trailers there, but maybe it's just it's just a lot. But then when I went and looked at the actual address, that told me more about the property, that this is actually an RV park. And they almost look like they have permanent addresses, at least they have their own mailboxes and everything. So I found that kind of interesting when I looked at, well, this isn't just this is the actual RV park here that has multiple addresses where people are currently staying and renting space.
Yeah, so it looks like it's a couple acres probably total, maybe 3, 4.
But you
And
can
yeah,
see the mailboxes there.
yeah,
And as you scroll back there, or look back there further, you can see the different trailers and things that are set up. So people are currently renting this, bringing in residual income, and this is the type of property that you can buy and at the tax sale and automatically start doing the same thing. In fact, as the company, what do they call it there?
Village Lane
Village
RV.
Lane.
Yeah, Village Lane RV Park.
Which means that they've already got the licenses and everything set up to be able to do this. So suddenly this property looks a lot more interesting to me because you could be renting out each one of those spaces. They probably rent for a pretty good price, especially if they're providing any type of things like water or power or utilities. They may have all those kind of hookups there. It looks like there's quite a extra spaces there that you can, bring in more people to it,
Yeah, it looks like it's only maybe half filled right now.
if that.
Yeah, yeah, that is kind of an interesting property there. Yeah,
Looking at the value, I think it's worth about $500,000, but I only had so much time to look at it. It was really hard to find what is an RV park going for. How many spots? I think you could maybe fit 10 to 15 in there. Maybe less than that, but probably 10 to 15.